Okay, so you're shortlisting engineering colleges, and Udaya School of Engineering in Kanyakumari district is on your list. Let's break it down. The TNEA code you'll need is 4978. Our goal here is to give you a clear, fact-based overview to help you and your parents make a really well-informed decision.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the college's official identity and approvals. Then we'll dive into the engineering programs they offer. After that, the big one, placements. We'll also look at the practical stuff like the hostel and transport facilities, and finally, we'll talk about how admissions work and what scholarships are on the table.
All right, first things first. Let's get the foundational facts straight. Who are they, really? And what are their official approvals? This is absolutely the most crucial first step.
So, Udaya School of Engineering has been around since 2002, and it's affiliated with Anna University. Now, you probably know this, but that's a big deal in Tamil Nadu. It means the entire curriculum and the degree you get are standardized and recognized across the state.
Let's quickly go over the key details. It's a self-financing institution, which means it's managed by a private trust, in this case, the RV Educational Trust. And remember that TNEA Code 4978? You'll need it for the counseling process.
Okay, this is really important. The college has the green light from AICTE, that's the All India Council for Technical Education, for the upcoming 2025-26 academic year. This is basically a national-level quality check, confirming their technical programs meet the required standards. It's a must-have.
All right, now for the part you've been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the engineering courses they have.
For this coming year, the college has a total approved intake of 570 seats. That's spread across all their BE and BTech programs combined. It gives you a good idea of the size of their freshman batch.
And here's the full menu. The college offers 12 different engineering branches. You've got a really wide range here, from the classic fields like mechanical and civil to more specialized areas like aeronautical and biomedical engineering. Now, this is quite interesting. Just a few years ago, in 2022, they added 4 new branches that are in really high demand right now: agricultural engineering, AI and machine learning, robotics and automation, and even a specialization in cybersecurity. This shows they're actively keeping their courses relevant to today's job market.
So you spend 4 years studying, but what happens after you graduate? This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's talk about the job prospects for students from Udaya School of Engineering.
According to the official data that the college submitted for the TNEA 2025 counseling, they've reported a placement rate of 65%. This figure gives you a baseline for understanding the career outcomes here. Academics and placements are obviously huge, but the day-to-day experience matters too. Let's look at the practical side of things, the facilities that will support you during your time on campus.
For students who'll be coming from out of town, this is key. The college does have separate and permanent hostel facilities for both boys and girls. So that's one less thing to worry about.
And what about food? Well, the mess facilities cater to different dietary needs, offering both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals for the students.
If you're planning to be a day scholar, the college runs its own transport service. For those coming from further away, the campus is pretty accessible. It's located about 9 kilometers from the Eraniel railway station.
All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually secure a seat here, and what kind of financial aid can you get?
The main path to admission is through the TNEA counseling process. It's really important to note that a large portion of the seats, 65%, are filled through this government quota, which is based on your academic merit and reservation policies.
Now, when it comes to financial support, a number of government scholarships are available. Depending on your eligibility, you can apply for state schemes, like the well-known First Graduate Scholarship, and also central government scholarships for minority and OBC students.
A quick but important note, all the information we presented here has been compiled directly from the college's official website and verified government portals, and it's current as of April 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.